I'm Kerry Peters, a recognized thought leader in the Microsoft Dynamics community and a Microsoft MVP for business applications. Welcome to the Get Your New View podcast. Keep listening to learn how we work with frustrated Business Central and NAV users who struggle to use their system and find the answers that they need. We teach them to truly understand how the system can support their business processes to make immediate and lasting improvements. As a result, they get more done in less time, make better business decisions, and even love their system.
2024 is a new year, and we're looking forward to helping you to solve problems at your business related to how your company uses Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. You'll see some new faces in our podcast this year, but before you do, I want to tell you a little bit about our new on-demand training classes, which you can find on LearnDynamics.com. How many of your team members are set up with the status of super instead of proper permissions? We talk with so many companies who never took the chance to set up permissions to protect their information. This essential function is the focus of our security and permissions course. The proper setup and administration of security and permissions within Business Central can make all the difference. Get it right, and you as the system administrator can save yourself and your users countless hours of time and frustration. Fail to optimize your setup, and you're not only going to regret it every day, but you're opening yourself up to issues with controls and access. And you know how management and the auditors feel about that. Join this class to understand master data related to security and permissions, understand the permission hierarchy, know how to add permission sets and related permissions, and know the best practices for setup and managing. As a bonus, you'll leave with a detailed security template to jumpstart your permissions analysis for your company. You can find this class and more on-demand classes on LearnDynamics.com. Go look to see which one fits best for you.